Hey guys, I've been using City Bonfire products for quite a while now at my survival site. And man, there's so much you can do with them. People use them for family fun, you know, like cooking s'mores and hot cocoa, hot chocolate, you know, having marshmallows over the fire. You can do all kind of family fun events, and they have all kind of packets for it. But I use them for survival candles, right? Because these things are amazing. So these are the standard City Bonfires portable fire pits. That'll eventually get rolling. But these little ones, man, they come in 10 packs. You could have them, you know, you have a wad of them in your kit. You could do all sorts of stuff, because that one little candle could literally light dozens and dozens of fires, you know? Like, you could be doing that all night long with just using that little candle right there, man. And they get little lids. When you're done with it, you just throw the lid back on. Like I said, you can cook over these things. They're really amazing. You got to check them out. So they got the big ones, you can go on their site. They got the little ones under the accessories. And but that big one, you know, 3 to 5 hour burn time. When you're done with it, you just simply put the lid back on, you know, and it provides light. You can cook with it. It could literally heat you up. You're wrapping it, if you're out in the woods with a space blanket, man, who knows, right? So check them out. That thing's cranking now. But I just thought those little ones were so cool. And 10 pack, you can't go wrong. I'm throwing that in my pack every time I hit the wood line. And one of these and a bunch of them, you'd have fire for days. Easy breezy, right? Plus you can do all kind of cool stuff with my kids. I take my daughter out here and we cook up s'mores and hot chocolate and all kinds of stuff. Really cool. So anyway, there's the big one going. Little one's still cranking. And all kind of uses. Super cool. When you're done, throw the lids on, pack it up, and move out. Use it again. Totally reusable. I've had this out here for months. I crank it up when I'm out here, do what I got to do with it, and then put it back away. Now I got these little ones too. Really cool stuff. So hit the link, go check them out, add them to your collection. Perfect addition to your fire kit, your camping kit, plus all kind of family fun. You guys check it out. Take care.